Ramadan is powerful. Your soul feels stronger, but your body? Tired, sleepy, low energy. You have exams, deadlines, goals. So the real question is, how do you study effectively while fasting? Let's break it down. Brain 1. Study after Suhoor, peak brain window. Your brain is sharpest right after Suhoor. You're hydrated. You've eaten. Your glucose levels are stable. This is your deep focus window. Use this time for difficult subjects, memorization, problem solving. Even 60 to 90 minutes here is more powerful than 3 tired hours later. Ramadan's secret. Protect your morning focus like gold. Crescent moon 2. Nap smart, not long. Don't skip sleep. Instead of staying awake all night, take a 20 to 30-minute power nap in the afternoon. It resets your brain, improves memory, reduces brain fog. Long naps equals groggy. Short naps equals sharp. Books 3. Use the 40 to 10 rule. In Ramadan, your energy drops faster. So don't study 2 hours straight. Use 40 minutes study, 10 minutes break. During the break, walk, stretch, make dhikr, breathe deeply, then repeat. Small focus sessions when. Sunrise 4. Light study before Iftar. The hour before Iftar is low energy. Don't force hard topics. Instead, review notes, watch explanation videos, revise flashcards, save heavy mental work for after Taraweeh or morning. Work with your energy, not against it. Milky Way 5. After Taraweeh equals quiet focus. After Iftar and Taraweeh, your body is refueled. The world is quiet. This is a powerful study time. Just don't overdo it. Study 60 to 90 minutes max. Then sleep. Remember, sleep is memory consolidation. Droplet 6. Hydration strategy. Between Iftar and Suhoor, drink water slowly and consistently. Avoid too much sugar, heavy fried food. Energy crashes. Food affects focus more than you think. Fire. Ramadan is not a weakness. It's discipline training. If you can focus while fasting, you can focus anytime. This month isn't about slowing, it's about learning control. And control is the foundation of success.